Okay, this next panel is the wagon wheel stitch, which, funnily enough, is not generally used to make a wagon wheel, but more for floral arrangements such as roses. I'm going to be working on this one. Now normally I would do this in one color, but I'm going to use 2 colors of thread to help you see the contrast and what I'm doing better. So this is a woven stitch. To start, you're going to make a star. 5-pointed, kind of like an asterisk, which if you don't know is that little star symbol on your keyboard. So I'm going to make that real quick. Now, the reason that the star has 5 points is because it has to be an odd number for the weave to go around and swap properly. So you can do it with a bigger star or with more points. You just have to make sure that it is an odd number. So you could also do a 7-point star if you really wanted to. So there's your little star. Odd number of points. I'm going to take my pink thread and come up through the center of the star. And the way that you do this is you go under one of the prongs of the star and you pull it through. Then you go over the next one and under the one beside it. And you repeat that all the way around. And you can see that it's a woven little circle right now. Now, you can see, because it is an odd number, when you go over the next one, you'll be going over the one you went under at the beginning. So it alternates. And that is going to create a little bump up next to the previous ones. You can see how it's a little bit lifted right here. Then you just keep going around in circles like this. Over, under. Making sure to pull it a little bit tight, but not too tight. Because if you make it too tight, it'll appear more flat than you want it. You want to have it a little bit loose so that the petals, so to speak, stand up a bit more. And you'll just keep going round and round until you can't see any yellow anymore. The prongs will be entirely hidden by the other threads. So, and you'll make a little rose. And later we'll do the big one, and I'll show you how to make a bird's nest.